see, I'm still loving my gauges that I installed. Things are working flawlessly. Look really good. Look at that. Not too bad, huh? So on my way now to a local shop, EA Motorworks, from a friend of mine, picking up the next installation part that I'm gonna get for my GTI. So I found a pretty good deal. It's actually not from them, but I found it on Marketplace, and the guy, I guess, got it installed there and uninstalled there. I think he's selling it. Well, of course he's selling it because I just bought it. So I'm on my way to go pick it up, and then I'll check back with y'all once we either get there or once we get back home. So I heard these cars have a lot of carbon buildup, and usually a catch can help. So we're gonna be installing a catch can, and eventually, of course, I'm gonna clean out the valves and all that good stuff, or the intake valve area, and then we'll be installing a catch can soon. All right, so we're back home. So we picked up a 034 Motorsports catch can for a 2.0 TSI engine on my 2013 MK6 GTI. So as you can tell, I don't think I've gone through this, but I have a nice Unitronic intake, and that's pretty much it. I got a little boost tap here, and nothing really up in the engine bay. So we're gonna be replacing this, putting this on. It didn't come with the boost tap adapter where it blocks off, it blocks off the intake part here. So what I'm gonna do, I bought this HPS. I think it's a coolant line cap. So I got the right size. I think it's a 5/8 inner diameter. So I'm gonna use this to block off that part, since this kit didn't come with the boost tap, because I did buy it used, but I got a really good deal on it here locally. So I'm not gonna complain. I figured out, I think this costs like 20 bucks on Amazon, so it's gonna be just fine. And another thing I'm gonna do, I've never been a big fan of the regular black, not sure what kind of material this is, lines, AN lines. So alright, so I pick up this new hose, stainless steel braided line, 10 AN line. Looks sick. It's not the bright silver color. It's like almost like a carbon steel. It's a nice darker color, so not too bright like the other ones. So I'll be making some new AN lines with the current fittings we have here and installing it. Alright, so we're gonna do first, we're gonna remove these regular AN lines we have here, and then go from there. Hey.
Hey, you hands ready? Can you hold it for me?
Yeah. No, it's okay. Hey.
I'm gonna go pee and I'm gonna get the rope in the car.
Okay. I can get, when you come back, I'll go get it.
You wanna get the rope?
Yeah. Hey, this is my little Eleni. Say hi. Say hi. You help Daddy? Let's help Daddy. little harder. Okay. Not bad for my first one. It looked like it might have moved just a tiny bit, but I don't think it's gonna be not a lot of pressure coming through these, so hopefully it doesn't leak out. If not, then you know I got good practice in. We'll redo it. Let's do the other side. Alright, so not bad for making my first AN lines. There you go. Right there. Right there. Looks pretty good. So of course I'm gonna install my catch can and go from there. Little HPS tap or cap that I bought. This is gonna go right here where the older little breather hose is at. So remove this. Okay. And then this one should fit in right in here. Oh yeah. This is snug. Oh yeah, we ain't gonna have no kind of leaks there.
Hi.
Hello.
Bobby, I'm gonna show you something.
Okay, you can show me something. Say hi to my friends.
Hi.
Show me.
I just want you to go.
Oh, you want me to go? Okay, wait.
Oh, Bobby.
Monday.
The video?
Alright, so we're gonna be removing our PVC valve, which is this here. I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts here. Looks like it's a Torx bolts, and then replacing it with the let me show you, with the 034 Africa plate. So kind of cleaned it off a little bit on the inside and then get that replaced. Remove the PCV valve, I believe it is, from the, kind of leaking a little bit of oil here. Remove the PCV valve. I'm gonna clean the area where we're gonna put the new Africa plate and go from there. Okay, gasket is in. We're gonna get one more little scrub down, make sure everything's good. Alright, so I was told, well, not told, but when I was looking to research how to install it, it said kind of install the bolts in like a star pattern, kind of you're like torquing down like a tire. like one side, and all that stuff until it sits, you know, so it can evenly sit down once you tighten it up. So that's the plan. I'm just gonna sit them in there, make sure everything goes in good, and then we'll start putting them down. Nice. All right, we got one more. Got to reach back there. It won't be just. Perfect. Now these babies. So out, without on the Africa plate, in with the inside of the Africa plate. Nice. Look at that. Looks pretty good, if you ask me. Okay. To report, I might twist this a little bit, kind of stretch them out a little bit, but I think the color of these, I love it. It's not too bright, so it goes good with the rest of the engine. I got some goodies coming in a few weeks to kind of give the engine a little bit of better look, and of course we're gonna clean it up, make it look nice and pretty. But that's the install of my 034 Motorsports catch can. Oh, not too bad. Well, I think it's it for now. We're gonna clean up. I'm gonna tighten these up again. Not tighten them up again, but tighten them up a little more. Like I said, it doesn't need a lot of. We're gonna torque these down because, like I said, it's not a big pressure, a lot of pressure in here. So tighten these down a little more, and then we should be good to go. I don't think there's anything else left to do. Cool, guys. Have a good one.